Clickbank affiliate marketing. Hello everyone, in this video what we're going to be doing is we are going to go ahead and start off with Clickbank and become an affiliate marketer. Okay, now to start affiliating on Clickbank, what you are going to want to do is you're going to make sure to go ahead and have an account with Clickbank. Now, if you know how to use Clickbank, you're going to know that it's basically for affiliates. So what affiliation is that affiliates basically take products off of some certain marketplace, and once they take those products off, after taking those products off, what you're going to do is you're going to become an affiliate for them. So you're going to take the link. In that link, you're going to have your product key, and after using that product key, you're going to send it around. You're going to let people know that, okay, there's this product and I want you to buy it. Okay, you're going to convince people to buy that product, and you're going to get a chunk of money out of it. So you can actually customize your ClickBank experience. So they're going to ask you all these things. You're going to fill in their questions. And once you fill in their questions, they're going to give you an account to work with. So you can become an affiliate pretty simply and pretty easily. And you can sell your product as well, acquire new customers with affiliation. And you have other proper seller sources as well. And here's the thing that affiliates can do. You can get affiliate overview, and there's different events, and you get really good revenue off. Okay, you get really good profit on ClickBank as well. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.